Happy Freya's Day, friends. I'm working on my 2021 composition book planner, and I wanted to just kind of show you really quickly how I am arranging this baby. It's going to be really different from the planner, the 2020 planner that I used, in that I've developed a different way to arrange my days. So I'm just going to kind of show you this. This column is going to be devoted to a very fast gratitude journal that I'm calling Good Stuff. We can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday are going to be kind of like a combined right here. These are creative spaces. These are creative spaces. And that's really what my planner turned into. You know, it really did turn into a place where I could do, I'm grabbing it. Hold on just a minute. Where I could accomplish some small art and you know, be able to plan at the same time. So this is what last year's journal kind of looked like, and you can see that I really took advantage of these. I created and took advantage of spaces here as well as right here to really kind of be free with my collage, with my just randomly throwing in things. I love to randomly toss things in my journal. I think that when we get too structured about our planners, we maybe don't have as much fun as we should have with them. So mine is less structured, more fun. And that's kind of a nice thought going into 2021, isn't it? Since we really have not had a lot of fun in 2021. But I did want to kind of give you a very quick peek at what I'm doing. I really did want to, you guys, make this planner work for me. I started a little list about the things that I want in my planner. That way I wasn't looking for a planner that fit my needs. I listed my needs and then planned my planner around my needs. And so I'm kind of going through here and kind of checking things off. You can see that I've started a reading list right here. And this is, you know, this is my 6-month planner. So I've got my reading list right here. I did a good stuff daily, so I've arranged a column for my good stuff. The front section of the glue book, I think is going to be just for notes, and it's not very much, you know, it's just a little section right here. But I kind of felt like I wanted to, here's what happens a lot of times when I am planning. I plan off my planner. And that gives me two things to juggle during the day. And it's like, why do I do that? So, you know, I'm trying to break the habit of using, you know, just a little steno book. I think it's because my head really thinks so fast. And on certain days, it gets so big in my head that I've got to dump it into a book like this. So, you know, will I continue to use this? I don't know. I would really like to put everything that's in my head in my planner, but Lord have mercy, that would probably not work. We're gonna finish the cover of my planner this morning. I'm not doing anything big whoop here. The other one was just a piece of my original art that I put on the front, and it says Simple Life. This one is, I've been dropping things in here that I love, and this is what I'm going to collage on the front of this composition book. So the first thing that I want to do is kind of cover up this thing that says composition right here. And the way I'm going to do that is to use, you know, we are using what we have. We are not purchasing things right now. It is a real journey to not purchase stuff. Now, I don't purchase stuff anyway, but, you know, it's been like right now I'm out of brads. So instead of using brads for journals, I am using buttons and all kinds of other things that I'm finding that work. I love this Lindt chocolate, you guys. It is, you know, for the price, it is chock full of antioxidants. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the word excellent. This is going to have to go this way. I want to incorporate this. This says, make a list of things that make you happy. Make a list of things you do every day and compare the list. I'm using an elephant, and I think that Miss C sent the elephant to me. I'm using a full moon. This is a vinyl decal that Leanne has over at her Etsy store. And I'm using Leanne's Celestial tabs for this book as well. So that's kind of what I have to work with. That's it. I'm not complicating this at all. So I think what I'm going to do, no, I think I'm going to cut the word excellence off here. Even though I like it, I think I can. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. Let me grab my glue stick. I think you guys are accustomed to the fact that I just don't spend a lot of time mulling over stuff. I would rather spend my time making art instead of mulling over things, design stuff. Okay. See, that looks really cool. Put my elephant up here. Yep, I like it. That's what I'm gonna do. I'll put a link in the description box below so you can check out Leanne's shop. Remember, if you use the code Tammy10, you get 10% off your purchase at her shop. I'm going to pick up some of that gold because it's so pretty, isn't it? We'll just put our elephant a little off that. I really want to get as much of that on there as I can, so we'll do that. I turned my light off because it was a little glary. So we've got a little, we're working in a little bit of dark right here. I hope I can peel this off. This is where I have such trouble with things. I even have my bifocal, my reading glasses on. I can't see anything anymore, y'all. Hang on just a second. There we go. Oh my goodness. Who knew, y'all, that being 60 plus, you can't see what you're doing anymore, and you're getting here's something funny. I'll tell Mom sometimes, I'll go, yeah, I just can't get jars open anymore, and she'll, instead of going, oh honey, don't worry about that, she'll go, well, it just gets worse. I'm like, okay. Please don't say that, Mama. All right, now we're going, this is just a picture that I thought was cool, and so I had it run off or printed at Walgreens, which is like one of my favoriteest things to do. Make a list of things that make you happy. There we go. Now, that's the cover for my new journal, y'all. Somewhere around here, I'll put 2021, but we'll come up with some numbers to put like down here. As a matter of fact, there's no reason to do that. Let's just go January, July, June 2021. Now it's all done. And there we go, you guys. My new 2021 planner, the cover of my new 2021 planner. I hope that you enjoyed this super simple, easy peasy video, and you will check out Leanne's shop. Isn't that just gorgeous? Her moon sticker. Oh. Okay, guys, thanks for hanging out. See you soon. Bye.